You, as a product developer, want to create your own design and challenge yourself. Thanks to the unified and collaborative 3D experience platform, you can connect the entire ecosystem of your business, people, ideas, data, and processes. This environment gives you access to a catalog of applications. These apps allow you to design, simulate, inform, and collaborate on a project in a full, secure way, in real time, and on any device. The 3D Experience project management tools are browser-based and offer ease of use, simplicity, and speed. You manage all product data from different authoring systems in an integrated approach. Everything is stored in the cloud, which means you can never lose anything and anyone can access the latest version of your project at any time and in total security. You can share what you want and keep private what you want, plans, agendas, and progresses. We at CControls are your ideal partner for finding the right software licensing model for 3D Experience, as well as the associated onboarding and integration of new and your existing software tools. We offer our experience as a solution consultant and our associated setup services that provide you with 100% support from the genesis of your idea through project implementation to actual implementation in a wide range of industries and business sectors. Don't wait and contact us now for more information.